So, hello, all of you, hello. So, today I'm going to tell about how to hack Talking Tom Gold Run. So, first open your Google app and type Lucky Patcher. The link is in description. You can click the link and you can open it. You have to click Lucky Patcher and open it. And you come down and you will get this download Lucky Patcher install. You have to click this Lucky Patcher install, and you can use your version. I want to use this download LP patcher, not the and I have installed it. So you have to open that. If you open, you will get LP installer. You have to install. After finishing the installment, you have to open it and click allow, and you have to not click no, you have to click yes, and you come down and you allow here from this source and install one more Lucky Patcher, and make sure that in your Play Store your Play Protect is off. If it is not off, this hack will be not work. And click here. After installing the Lucky Patcher, open it and start uninstalling the installer. Click this and the LP installer will be done, and you will get this app. You have to open this app. After that, click provide allow. For some apps it will be not hacked, and make sure that in here you have to click no, and you have to select the game. So I want to 1 second. So if before hacking, if they will keep messages like update, and you have to not update it, and make sure that the hacked app is installed. For suppose if you want to hack Tom Golden, the app should be installed. After that only this hack will be succeed. You have to install this Talking Tom Golden, and you have installment. You have to open Lucky Patcher before it is installed, also no problem. After this app installed, you have to open Lucky Patcher. So you have to open Lucky Patcher and search for Talking Tom. Oh, 1 second. You remove this recent tab and again open it. You should click here no, and this app will be present for you, this installed app. If you install after this APK install, if you have installed the Play Store from app, you have to restart the app, and you have to click that app like this, and you have to click here. You can it will have no, I don't want. No, you have to click. After clicking Talking Tom Golden, you will get here menu of patches. You have to click this and create modified APK file, and you have to click APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation, and you have to off anything, and you have to start it. It may take some time for doing this. takes some time for doing this hack. So make sure that all are succeed. If 1 and 2 are not succeed also, no problem. So for me, patch pattern info is failed, and you have to click here, go to file, and you may get installed and uninstalled, but for some apps you will get reinstalled. You have to click this. You may get install and uninstall, you can click that, and yes, you have to type and click OK. The game will be uninstalled and again it will be reinstalled. For this you have to allow the source, and you have to you will get this application. You have to install like this. So the installation process is in progress. It will become. After that you have to click OK or launch it. Maybe OK, but after doing hack you can uninstall Lucky Patcher. You have to not keep this Lucky Patcher for many days in your mobile phone. After finishing your hack, and how much gold it is. Okay. Yes. So I don't want to play the game. So click cancel. Okay. And you have here plus 5 this, and here you will get, and you can keep 16. How much do you want? If you click this 16,500 and clicking it, you will get like this. If you click S, you can see like that. You can be how much you can. How much? So I'm clipping. More. It's like that. That now it is going. Okay. Okay, if you play one game, you will get any offers like Moon Festival like that. So you can click these. Okay, you can buy more gold. Like if you keep 7 biscuits, like with dynamic, 80 dynamics, you can buy 295 biscuits. Like that, you can waste these dynamics. After you getting biscuits, you can click this 7 biscuits, and your money will be increased. And you have so much dynamics. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye.